Hi, I'm Jerry with Rol Air Plumbing Heating. Are you a homeowner that needs help with the regular maintenance in their home? Well, you're in luck. I got some videos for you. We're gonna go over things like changing the furnace filter, checking your sump basket and float, turning off water lines and gas valves. Let's get started. Hi, this is Jerry with Rol Air again. So today we're gonna be looking at changing the filter for your HVAC system. One of the first things that I like to do on my own home is turn the power off to the unit. So a lot of times you're gonna find a switch in the side, you're just gonna turn it off. The reason we do this is because if the unit is running, we don't want the airflow to be coming while we're taking the filter out. Sometimes it can make it a little difficult to pull that out in that case. So on this one, we located our filter. It's on the return drop on the side of the furnace. We have a magnet cover here. Sometimes there's a metal one that you need to take off. Whatever that is, take it off, put it out to the side. We just like to stick ours there. So we're gonna take our filter out. A lot of times they pull up or pull out depending on which type that you have. So we do recommend a low MERV rating filter. You want to change these every single month on the dot. So this one, you can always find the size of the filter if you're not sure on the filter itself. This is a 16 by 20 by 1. So when you put it back in, just make sure that you get it all the way in there and then it's not sticking out at all. If it sticks out like this, just move it around a little bit and it should get in there. Once you're done with that, you can put your cover back on and you're ready to go. The other thing that you may see, we do recommend once a month for 1-inch filters. If you have a 4-inch filter like this, we recommend every 3 months. Have a nice day.